Hey traders, Akil Stokes here, Chief Currency Analyst and Head Trading Coach over at TradeEmpowered.com, and thank you for joining me for a special edition of my Forex Weekend Review video. Now, typically these videos come out on Thursday, but I got a lot of requests to share the analysis that we did on the euro dollar last week, so I decided to put together a special Monday edition of this video. Now, last week we did a lot of analysis on the euro. It started in Monday's private Q&A session and really changed and adjusted and evolved as the week went on, finally giving me an opportunity to get short on Thursday and then get short again on Friday. And we're going to show you guys some recordings from our live room sessions demonstrating that analysis. Also, at the very end of this video, I'm going to take you through a few pairs that are on my radar to start the week with similar types of setups and just give you guys an idea of what we'll be looking at going forward on this trading week. Now, before I get started, I need you guys to do me a big favor. Please do three things. Like this video. It takes less than a second to hit that like button. Share it on social media, at least one form of social media, Twitter, Facebook, Google+, it doesn't matter. And then lastly, if you're not subscribed already, subscribe. If you are subscribed, find one trader that you know out there and encourage them to subscribe. We're doing a lot of good. We've developed an extremely good community over the last few years of doing this video, and I want to keep that going. A lot of comments are saying, hey, I love how positive everyone is, and the more like-minded individuals we can get together, the more uplifting it's going to be for us as a community. Also, I'm trying to reach 25,000 subscribers by the end of 2016. I don't know why that number is important, but I like shooting for goals. So 25,000 is the goal, and only you guys can make that happen. So like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys in a few minutes with what's on my radar to start off the week. 12 weekers. This is based off what we talked about yesterday. This is a live example of that trend continuation opportunity that I forgot who asked about it that we went over yesterday. All right. So my initial zone starts from here, right? This is my kill zone. I know it's a pretty big kill zone to kill. What am I supposed to do with this? We're going to narrow it down later. Don't worry. But this is my kill zone. My kill zone is about 61 pips. Now let me just make sure we're not on cipher pattern alert. We got about 9 minutes for war room. Look at that. I've got a 382 Fibonacci retracement. I've got a 786 Fibonacci retracement lining up at the same level. What do we like to call that, fellas and ladies? Fibonacci confluence. Yep. Fibonacci confluence. And I can start working through the process. I can say if price action, and it's still a long process, but if price action comes up to this level, right, then I will be looking to get short. If I get short, stops need to be, let's say, here, above previous structure. Where are we looking for targets at, guys? Are we looking for a full extension, retest of structure? And again, we're really early, so we don't even know that this thing is going to turn around yet. Previous structure low. Right there. What do you guys think? Is this a good is this a risk reward that would meet your requirements? Let me just scroll down real quick. That's gonna kill it if we don't. I thought we had a bat. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. We're gonna just miss it. Oh man, check your data. 2 pips off. Check your data. I was gonna say, looks like we had an advanced pattern here, which could have given you an aggressive way to enter right up here at 108.23. So check your data. I missed the 50% by 2 pips. Or did I take it from here? Nah, whatever. I missed it by 2 pips. I'm not going to force it to work. I thought I had it earlier. I'm not going to force it to work. What I mean by forcing it to work is going, oh, well, I really should have took it from here, this high, and now it works. And there's nothing wrong with taking it from that high, but the fact that this is the one that I measured first, that stuck out to me. I never want to put myself in that position where I'm trying to force something to work. So I'll have to find another way to enter. But perfect example how you can combine advanced pattern completion with the overall, with trend continuation trading and sometimes even counter trend trading. Hey gang, Akil here. Just wanted to give you an update on the euro dollar trade. This is something that we've been watching all week. And originally, we were paying attention to this level right here, looking for a short opportunity. Now, price action eventually did come up to that area, and some of our traders had a chance to get short on a bearish bat pattern, but we didn't see the trend continuation move that we were expecting. Now, I'm still looking short despite the bearish or the bullish rotation that was caused by our higher high, higher close. And if you checked my trading view charts earlier, I actually made a prediction of looking really our resistance level being broken, expecting a retest back into previous structure support now, and a move back up into our kill zone up here, where we had some Fibonacci confluence between, I think it was an 886 Fibonacci retracement. Let me just bring that on, see if I can remember. I just deleted this about a few seconds ago. An 886 Fibonacci retracement. I believe there's a 1618 Fibonacci inversion. Bang, right up there, looking for a potential reversal in that area as well. You can see we have some RSI diversions as well. If you look at my RSI down here, putting in lower highs, and of course, our price chart putting in higher highs. Now, again, didn't have a chance to get involved at this first move, and this is why we're patient. Just because we don't get it the first time doesn't mean we should scrap our analysis and throw it away. I will be looking for a chance to get short within the hour, at the top of the hour, which is in about 5 minutes. Now, probably won't be holding this too long. We do have non-farms coming out, but if I can get a short move, if we can get some type of move over the London session, maybe right back down here in the structure, I'll look to remove a portion of my profit, and who knows, we may leave one on for the non-farms. Of course, putting myself in a protective position, and what I want to talk about, and managing it wisely during that non-farms report. So we'll see. We'll make up my mind tomorrow once I see what price action actually did. Who knows? I could just get stopped out and blown out the water, and then I won't have that dilemma. But just wanted to keep you guys updated. Again, we've been doing this all week in the live room and posting it on TradingView as well. So it's only right that I keep you guys updated on what I'm about to do with this trade. Watch it. It's interesting. It's always an interesting time when non-farms come out. We call it the fireworks show. So sit back. I've got my popcorn and my coffee ready. Wonderful combination, and we'll see what happens. And it's 8:30 now, so there we go, down in my direction. Can we stay that way though? Can we stay that way? Come on, baby. Let's hope we can stay that way. Somebody shoot me when Jason's up. But you see euro dollar dropping in my favor. In my favor. Let me, we're going to roll this with it. Hold on. All right. There we go. We're going to roll stops down just to save us some profit. Good stuff. Good stuff. We'll see how this goes out to the rest of the day. Jason's up. We'll take our 10-minute break for War Room, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys. So I just wanted to give you one more update on the euro dollar. I turned my webcam off after I shut down the live room today, so you can't see my beautiful face. But you guys know about the euro dollar trade. I've been shooting videos this whole time. Non-farms went in our direction, went pretty well. And then, as we usually see after non-farms, massive number, by the way, we saw a retracement in the market. We saw a pullback, some profit taking, a correction per se. And one of our 12-week transformation members actually spotted this bearish cipher pattern in the live room, this thing in gray right here that our Constellation software is bringing up. So we went ahead, we hopped in this as well. We wrote it down for about 34 pips of profit and ended up getting a bonus trade on our euro dollar. So we had the same thing with Canada as well. So pretty cool, pretty good way to end the week. Not only did the trade that we've been stalking since Monday work out in our favor, but we were able to find some bonus action and snag a few extra pips as well. So not the best week in our syndicate program, but a very good end to our trading week. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. Now I haven't done my full look around the markets as far as top-down analysis goes, but doing a quick glance, I noticed a few trading potential trading situations or opportunities setting up that were very similar to the euro dollar when I showed you last week. Most of them coming on the yen pairs, mainly because those are the only pairs I had a chance to look at so far. But one is right here on pound yen, and you can see, just like the euro dollar, we have the lower low, lower close, breaking close below structure, and we're looking for a pullback back in this kill zone between our previous new structure low and our previous outside return. Now we're far away from that. We may not even get up here. It looks like something came out and we're starting to see some action in the market. But what we can do this earlier in the week is project and just mentally prepare ourselves for what type of opportunity could take place. Now, I'm going to pause this video and give you a few seconds to try and predict, to see if you can guess what I'm going to predict here on the chart. Here's a hint. If you were in the 12-week transformation private training this morning, you should be all over this. But take a second, pause the tape, see if you can match what my prediction is going to be, and then we'll come back and look at it in a few seconds. We'll take 5. Ooh, that's good. Nothing like a coffee addiction. I said I was going to stop, but I couldn't. I couldn't stop. All right. So there's a few things I see on this chart as far as making prediction for this potential reversal zone. Obviously, I'm aiming the type of trader I am, and I'm not a true trend following trader. We went over that this morning as well, but I'm aiming for a retest of our resistance level right here. There's a few things I could look at. I can look for the market to put in a harmonic move here. A lot of you guys will notice as an ABCD pattern. Look for an equal measured move. You can see swing low to swing high. We have a retracement, an outside return, or an extension, I should say. If we get an extension, you can see that ABCD pattern completion is going to put us right here at the very, very tops of structure. If I want to, I can add some Fibonacci confluence to that as well, taking my Fibonacci extension tool from swing low to swing high. You can see getting a 1414 extension in there, and it looks like we're going to get a 1618 inversion if I take that same tool and measure it from my C to B leg. Boom, right on there. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. It's like he knew it would happen. So that's definitely a way we can start projecting that potential reversal zone. Also, for you guys that are familiar with advanced patterns, it looks like we may be setting up an advanced pattern here. Let me just double check. It'd be good if I had some ratios on this chart. All right. Let's see if we match that. Yeah, we could be setting up for a potential Gartley pattern as well on here, looking at X to A to B, B to C, CD completion right up here, right around that same structure level for you. So again, a few opportunities. I'm not going to get too detailed into it. Syndicate members, I will be back tonight after the New York close to show you guys a more detailed video. If you're not in the syndicate, guys, it's $1 to sign up. There's a link below this video. So just click it. It's $1. It's worth it. Trust me. But you can do this. There are a few pairs setting up like this. Pound yen is an example. Euro yen, I believe, was an example. Actually, we just took a plunge on euro yen. Dollar yen? Yeah, dollar yen's an example as well. But there are plenty of pairs out there that have those similar types of setups like that. And as long as you are consistent with what tools you use for your analysis, your IPDE process, you can find opportunities like we saw with the euro dollar last week, each and every week here in the market, no matter what pair you're trading, no matter what time frame you're trading on, really no matter what market you're trading as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, do me a big favor, like, share, subscribe, find one trader out there and forward this video to him. Say, hey, you need to check out this guy. He's dropping knowledge bombs left and right every single week. Get on board. Get them to subscribe. I'm trying to reach 25,000. And of course, if you're out there on social media, give me a follow on Instagram, Twitter, StockTwits at Akil Stokes RTM, here on TradingView as well at Akil_Stokes. So I will see many of you in the live room tomorrow. Sign up for a free week if you're interested. We go from 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock New York time. I will see the rest of you guys in the syndicate. I already told you about the $1 sign up. Take advantage of that. Trust me, it's the best dollar you'll ever spend. And the rest of you guys, I will see you this Thursday with another Forex market preview video. Until then, plan your trade your plan. Great luck in the markets this week, traders.